So we are going to need yarn, so I'm concretely using Friend Cotton 8.8 4mm hook. So we are going to start with the magic ring. So pulling the yarn around my fingers like this, grabbing with my pinky. Now going with the hook under the first one, grabbing the second yarn, and pulling the yarn that I am holding with my pinky like this. Perfect. Now I am going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now I am going to make 2 times treble. So I am going to yarn over 2 times of my hook. Now going into the magic ring, and now I will pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops. So this is my treble. Okay, 1 more treble, so yarning over 2 times, going into the magic ring, pulling the yarn. Now pulling through first 2 loops, grabbing the yarn, pulling through first 2 loops, and grabbing the yarn, pulling through another 2 loops. Now I am going to make 3 double crochet. So I am yarning over only 1 time, going into the magic ring, pulling through first 2 loops, and pulling through first 2 loops. So this was my first double crochet. Now my second, and third. Now I am going to make again treble. So I am going to yarn over twice, going into the circle, pulling through first 2 loops, pulling through first 2 loops, and remaining 2 loops. Perfect. Now I am going to place 3 times double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now I am going to place 2 trebles, so yarning over twice again and pulling through always only first 2 loops. So first one and my second one. Okay, now I am going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, little bit tighten up my magic ring, and I am going to slip stitch into the magic ring. Okay, so grabbing my yarn like this and pulling through. And now we are going to simply tighten up our magic ring. So with this tail, I will tighten it up. And you can tighten it up completely or leaving the circle there, up to you. So, and your heart is done. Very quick and easy.